So yeah, as you can see, actually as you saw it in the intro, she is almost ready to fire it up. I still have a couple of things to do here and there, and she will be ready to fire up. As you can see, I already installed the coilovers and the wheel bearings. Brembos are coming too pretty soon. Right here, I got the battery hole. You know, don't mind that. So yeah, don't look at that. But anyway, this side is done also with the wheel bearings and the knuckles and coilovers. Everything is installed there. It's just there, so it's what's called for now mounted, just so I can crank it up and so the oil doesn't leak out of the what's it called, the drive shaft on the transmission, those seals. Pretty much she is ready. Super excited. I have a couple of things to put still, but after 2 years of after 2 years of the working on this car, this is the first time she cranked up. Like I said, I'm super excited. Really happy about it. Can't wait to start it. That would be in probably one of my next videos. I gotta do that, and yeah, I'm ready to pull her out and get the GSX in and start working on that one. Like I said, I'm so excited about this car. Finally, after so much, I can finally hear her for the first time. Like I said, 2 years, and I'm almost crying. That's how happy I am. You know, of course, this wouldn't be possible without support of my family. Of course, my wife first, and her family as well. Really thankful for that, for giving me this place, and of course letting me work in the backyard, making a junkyard in the back. But yeah, I'm really happy, and she is almost ready to go outside this garage. She's been sitting in this cave for last 2 years, and I can't wait for her to see the sun for the first time in a long time. And yeah, just like I said, I have a manifold to install. That's next. The whole exhaust in the back. Got that. I have to, for now, I'm just gonna start it like this, like it is. I have to actually relocate this battery all the way in the back so I can clear this area so it looks nicer, or we'll see. Maybe I just leave it as is, because my next plan is gonna be focusing on the GSX, so this one will be just kind of as a daily driver. But anyway, I changed a lot of plans, changed a lot of things, changed my mind on a lot of stuff. I will not be running this car turbo. I do not see a potential in this car as a turbo in a 428. I'm sorry if I offend anybody. Many of you know that I have a GSX that it's been sitting for almost the same time as this one, and that's my priority right now, because this has been a great adventure It's I work a lot of on this car, and this is my first car. I'm really happy that I got it. Zero rust. I repainted everything, and now I don't think a turbo in this car will do good, because I already have a turbo car. So this is just gonna be converted pretty much to a daily. I know a lot of you will get disappointed, but that's what it is. 420A is a great engine to work on, a really easy engine to work on, but not with the turbo though. Turbo, if you don't do it right, this engine is gonna, I mean, every engine is gonna give you hell if you don't do it right. But this engine is it has its limits, just like every other. And aftermarket support is not as near as a 4G63, but just like I said, it's gonna be still there. I'm planning to leave it as is, like it is right now, until I don't finish the orange one. Then I will swap all the carbon fiber parts on the orange one, and of course, orange one is gonna be the main one. But now back to the story. What's going on? What else is left? So on this side, I have to install the Brembos and the fender liner and the fender. Of course, I have to redo the wiring. I have to reorganize that, put it where it belongs. Same thing on this side. I have to put the Brembos fender liner and the fenders, lights and all that. Of course, it's missing a bumper. I will probably go with the OEM bumper that is cracked, but I will kind of make it look nice. But anyway, the battery relocation, I'm still thinking about that. What else? Oh yeah, the glass in the back. I still have a glass in the back to do. That's the next thing as well. After it starts running, then I'm gonna draw it to the place. Then these Brembos are done. Wheels and tires, that's supposed to come pretty soon too. So there's a lot of things left, but I'm really close. But anyway, I really appreciate you guys sticking around and all the support from you guys as well. I really welcome all the new subscribers. Thank you guys, to all of you. And yeah, I'm a step closer. Thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure you like it, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Ladies.